Hey guys, I just wanted to do a really brief introduction to our course website here on Schoology for American Literature, Section 1. Right now, as you can see on this homepage, there's not a lot going on, but as we move along here, it'll definitely fill up. Um, so the first thing, you'll see this folder here. You can go ahead and open that up, and there's just a very brief introduction about the class. And you know how I want you to be prepared for class every day, and it's also where you'll find this brief little introduction video. Um, so yeah, it's really all there is in that little intro course folder. The real meat and potatoes thus far will be under Unit 1, using textual evidence to support claims. That's what we'll be working on first. See our unit objectives here, and I sort of wanted these to follow the Minnesota state standards for grades 11 and 12 for this class. So that's what we'll be working on in the first unit. And we can go back here for a second. Then we've got this online discussion. Go ahead and open that up, and you'll see I've kind of written it out in detail here. Also got a little introduction video to do that online discussion, as well as just a link to Goodreads. So you can go ahead and use those to help you with this little project as well. Yeah, I just want you to kind of plug into online community and be able to talk with your peers and even others. Just please be mindful of netiquette, and be respectful of other people using these sites. Let's see, the other assignment we'll have for this unit is this Pixton interpretation. Again, I've provided the link to get to Pixton. You guys can make your own comic book. It's usually pretty cool. You can do a lot of fun stuff with it. So looking forward to seeing what you come up with for that. And then we've got, let's just go back here. And then we've got the writing assignment due at the end of the week. Fairly self-explanatory there. I'm sure you've done writing assignments up until now. We're just going to have a rough draft for this first paper here due soon. Again, I've got some details for you, and I did mention it's going to be an MLA style. You can find a link to the Purdue Owls information on MLA style and formatting under our additional resources folder. And that should help you with any questions you have, and as always, just come to me with questions you might have as well. And then we'll have a quiz as well. The weird thing about this quiz that's in here yet is you have to go to the preview tab to find the link for the quiz. That's something I'm working on, and I'll get that fixed, and we'll just be able to go to these questions and find a link to the quiz. It's a Google Forms quiz. Let's see here. I think that's all we have for Unit 1 so far. And of all those assignments, they're also on your little calendar on the right here. So you can take a peek at those and open them up from there. So this is the additional resources folder. These are just writing tools to help you. They are, except for this MLA stuff, they are by no means rules to live by with writing, and as you become more acquainted with your craft, you'll have your own rules as well, but this George Orwell piece is a really excellent bit of writing on writing. And yeah, like I said, here's the link for the Purdue Owl. And yeah, I mean, as of right now, that's about all we have, and as the course goes on, we'll fill it up with more stuff. But that's all I really have to show you for now. Have a good time. We'll see you in class.